Hi guys, today I'm going to be making some keto mushroom brie risotto. And to start off with, you will have to make the cauliflower risotto, which is the same way you make the cauliflower rice, which I've done a video and I'll put the link down in the description box. So get that ready and then we'll move on to the next step. For my recipe, I am using a combination of crimini and white button mushrooms. You can use whatever kind you like. So I'm going to rinse about half and half of these packages. I have cut up the two different types of mushrooms and I'm just going to set them to the side. Next, you'll need some onions, and you can use any type of onions that you want. Okay, I am using my new Teflon pan and I've got in there some butter, garlic, and the onions, and I'm going to put in the mushrooms and let it cook. Now while that's cooking, I'm going to cut up some cheese and have it ready. Okay, so now it's time to add in your cauliflower risotto. I've added in the cauliflower and now I'm going to add in some water. I've got a third of a cup. That's not going to be enough. I think I'll probably do a cup. And then you can also substitute and put in some kind of broth if you want. This is vegetarian, so you could use a vegetable stock. Okay, I've added, actually it was a cup that I put in here of water. And now you cover it and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. I shut off the heat. Now I'm putting in the brie, which, believe it or not, I was able to grate a lot of it. Hey, Dougie, I'm not sure if I put in enough brie. Let me give this a stir. Okay, I added just a little bit more brie, and you can just cover it, wait for it to melt, and then give it a good stir. So this is it, finished. I used a little bit too much water. I should have stuck with my intuition and just used a third of a cup, or maybe a tad more. So if you make this, use less water than what I used. I would say a third of a cup. Maybe a little bit more. I know I just repeated myself, but it looks delicious. So let me give her a try here. It's delicious. And there's still a crunch, a little bit of a crunch. The taste is really unbelievable. So I hope you guys try it, and bon appetit. Have a great night.